pulling up to grab some salt. Country Farms. They're not a giant company, so they're here at certain times. They're in the winter, the weekends, middle of the night, 2 in the morning. Depends on, you know, what's going on storm wise. To the side by this truck somewhat over here. This is the supply yard in our area. We just got to get the top pulled over so they can dump salt in it. Up here, it's like Jack's working tonight. Everybody's here. There's another truck. We ain't the only one with a light out. I like to keep the truck full at all times in the winter. We threw a little diesel 911 in there. Make sure nothing freezes up or gels up when it gets cold. Diesel fuel will gel up and your truck will not run. Got the Evolution, not the Insight. Dusty dash. 97%. Might go up a little bit, who knows. We are good. We're loaded up with salt. We're just gonna go home and wait for this blizzard to come through.